Whether you're new to HubSpot or a long-time user, you're likely to have a ton of questions and need some guidance on all the new features, integrations and optimizations. And let's be honest, you can waste loads of time reading long how-to blogs, trawling through forums and getting sidetracked down loads of rabbit holes. And ultimately you just want a straightforward answer without all that waffle. So we created the HubLight channel for you. In each video we answer the questions that we know you're asking. We provide clear and concise information without all that unnecessary chit-chat. Because we know you're busy and your priority is to get HubSpot working the way that you need it to. Now our team at Clue Digital have been using, recommending and implementing HubSpot for our clients for years. We love this powerful software and what it can do for your business, and getting the most out of it should be easy and intuitive. We're also going to give you some strategic tips and insights to maximise your results and offer some fresh ideas on how you can make the most out of each tool in the platform. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and sign up for our newsletter so that you never miss the new and useful content that we put out. It's great to have you with us and we can't wait to help you navigate HubSpot.